Hey guys, welcome back again to Trading Channel YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about Nifty Bank Nifty analysis, and I have picked 4 stocks that can give good return in short terms. So, without any further delay, let's get started. But before that, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and click the bell icon for instant notifications. So this is Nifty's daily chart, and this is the zone we have to break tomorrow. And if this zone is broken, the next target could be the all-time high of 18,600 plus. So we are we want to break this zone just because I'll just switch it to 4 hours time frame, and we have almost tested this zone for about 1 2 3 4 5 and sixth time we are testing it. If it is broken tomorrow, the next target could be the all-time high, and before that there is a small resistance at 18,200 range, and if we sustain to and if we break that, it will definitely reach the all-time high in next 2 months or something. Today being the first day of this 2022, uh, the trading was so good today, and it was highly volatile, but almost most of the stocks are in positive trend, and the FII has bought about 902 crores, and the DII has bought about 803 crores. So on a total of 1700 crores of amount has come to our stock market today, and the volatility index of India is increased about 1.4 percentage, and global cues are not so good or not so bad. SGX Nifty is indicating about 84 points gap down, but still we are in a good trend, and we have just broken out this trend line. Even if Nifty is red tomorrow, nothing to scare, because as like normal stocks, this index is also going to take a retest, and it will bounce back after that. So the bank nifty has already broken out of the resistance zone that it has been forming. The resistance zone was at 36,325 range, and it is broken, and it has closed very positively. The banking stocks were very bullish, like stocks like HDFC and Axis Bank have pushed the bank nifty very well, and we have closed very strong. So uh, we should break this 37,375 range, and after that it's again going to be an all-time high in coming 2 months or something. So the next part of the video is we are going to discuss about 4 bullish stocks that we can give an entry for the short term. So the first stock is Network 18 Media. This stock has been consolidating for almost 4-5 days, and I'll switch it to 1 hour time frame. It has been forming a triangle pattern, but normally this should come down, but this stock is looking bullish, and it has recently touched the all-time high of about 113 114 rate. So if this upper trend line is broken, we are going to expect it to reach again to 114, and if this downtrend is broken, it may come down till 70 rupees. So watch out for this stock. If it is breaking the upper trend line, you may give an entry, but this is not my advice. You please do your own research and then invest. The second stock is Vedanta Limited. I'll switch it to day time frame. Uh, this is the pattern in Vedanta Limited, and it has been forming a triangle pattern for almost from October to till today. If this trend line is broken, the next target could be this trend line, and if you see this trend line breaking, it has been moving very drastically, and if it moves like the same way this has been moving, it may break this trend line also and then take a retest, and then it may go up. So watch out for this stock and get some good profits. So the next stock is Vishaka Industries. This is not a proper pattern, but today's volume with good green candle, that is almost an engulfing candle. It has engulfed the past 2 days candle. So this is also looking bullish, and it has recently given a fake out and then a good breakout. It has also retested and looking bullish today. So it may again reach out to this 743 745 level, but please do your own analysis before investing. And the last stock I'm going to discuss is Chemplast Sanmar Limited. Uh, this stock was in a downtrend for almost 3 months, and then it is consolidating in the upward direction for almost 7-8 days. If you look at this, there is a small pattern. There's a small rising wedge pattern. uh, it looks like this. Even if it touches this trend line, let it close above this trend line strongly, and then we can give an entry, because it may again come down to this trend line and then again go up. So even if it is coming down, you can give an entry on this trend line and then it may go up. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and turn on the notifications. If you find this video useful, please do like this video, comment on what we can improve, and if there is any stocks for you to discuss, you just please comment it, we will discuss in the video. Also join our Telegram channel, where we are giving instant updates and news regarding the stock market, crypto market, everything. Also join our Instagram pages, where we are updating, and we are trying our best to give the instant updates. So please do follow us on Instagram, join our Telegram channel, and please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you.